I'm here to tell you about the key features of the tile roof solar mounting system developed by Enerack technology. This product is an excellent solution for all tile and shingle roof solar projects. Smart and versatile design, compatible with various common tile and shingle roof types, including asphalt and bitumen roofs in both flat and pitched configurations, will be a perfect fit for your solar array. Conveniently, modules can be installed either in portrait or landscape configuration. Each component is factory pre-assembled, which significantly reduces installation time and costs. High customization level embodied in the system's design allows you to adjust the system for individual needs, different locations and terrains, providing a cost-effective solution perfectly suited to local conditions. Available tilt angle range is conveniently wide from 5 to 60 degrees. For system materials, we choose durable aluminium 6005 alloy in T5 temper and SUS 304 stainless steel, anodized and galvanized to withstand corrosion and weather extremes, including wind force of up to 198 kilometers per hour and snow load up to 1.4 kilonewtons per square metre, ensuring long-lasting and trouble-free service life, estimated by us as at least 15 years. The choice of aluminium as the main system material makes it both light and durable, facilitates transportation and installation, and improves corrosion resistance, increasing the product's longevity and reliability. Our products are designed strictly in accordance with national and international standards, confirming their reliability and quality. This includes Australian AS/NZS, Japanese JIS, European CE, TÜV, UL, SGS, and others. We pack our products in fumigated wooden pallets, wrapping them with plastic film to ensure safe and damage-free transportation. In warranty terms, we offer 15 years product warranty for these, and by the customer request, we can send product samples before the final order. German Enerack technology with modern production base, more than 80 skilled employees and more than 10 years of experience, specialises in research, design, production and service of roof, ground and carport photovoltaic mounting systems. Offering innovative designs based on a decade of experience in the industry, we are committed to providing customers with stable, reliable and cost-effective solutions. We have achieved a high level of trust with our customers thanks to the durable and high-quality products we offer. Our systems have been installed in many countries around the world, including the UK, Hungary, Poland, Serbia, Mexico, Australia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Japan and China, to name a few. Your satisfaction is our ultimate goal.